Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the device model and OS because methods differ by platform. Once done, plug in power and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Try the simple unlocks now. Enter your PIN, pattern, or use fingerprint authentication twice. If biometric fails, use the fallback passcode. If that also fails, note whether the device shows forgot PIN or locked for X minutes. Make sure to record any error messages, they guide the next steps. Now focus on account-based recovery because many modern locks tie to accounts. You can use Android Find My Device or iCloud to attempt remote unlock or to erase the device after confirming identity. If needed, reset the account password via recovery email or phone to re-authenticate. Once you regain account access, sign in on the locked device and follow on-screen prompts. If those fail, boot into safe mode or use ADB where applicable. Finish by signing back into the device with your recovered account and restore any backup you created. Then re-enable PIN or biometric security. If you performed a factory reset, follow the manufacturer's setup prompts and install updates immediately to prevent repeat issues. If the screen remains locked, check whether your account is temporarily suspended or whether the vendor's authentication servers are down. If problems persist, contact the device maker or carrier with model, OS, and error text ready so they can escalate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.